You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. मेघालय में वैज्ञानिक खनन के बारे में एक सवाल का जवाब देते हुए मुख्यमंत्री कोनराड संगमा ने कहा कि इस वक्त हम बहुत एडवांस पोजीशन पर है। मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा कि मेघालय की लैंड होल्डिंग्स राज्य में वैज्ञानिक खनन में देरी में एक प्रमुख कारण है। चूंकि निर्णय लेना कठिन है क्योंकि हमारी जमीनें अलग अलग हैं। अन्य स्थानों पर सरकार भूमि की मालिक होती है और उस पर खनन करती है और वे इसे एक निजी पार्टी को पट्टे पर दे देती है। परंतु यहाँ सिस्टम बिल्कुल विपरीत है। मेघालय में वैज्ञानिक खनन के बारे में एक सवाल का जवाब देते हुए मुख्यमंत्री कोनराड संगमा ने कहा कि इस वक्त हम बहुत एडवांस पोजीशन पर है। मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा कि मेघालय की लैंड होल्डिंग्स राज्य में वैज्ञानिक खनन में देरी में एक प्रमुख कारण है। चूंकि निर्णय लेना कठिन है क्योंकि हमारी जमीनें अलग अलग हैं। अन्य स्थानों पर सरकार भूमि की मालिक होती है और उस पर खनन करती है और वे इसे एक निजी पार्टी को पट्टे पर दे देती है। परंतु यहाँ सिस्टम बिल्कुल विपरीत है। यहाँ निजी पार्टी के पास जमीन है और सरकार एक एजेंसी के रूप में कार्य कर रही है और सरकार को मेघालय की भूमि जोत के आधार पर मार्ग बदलना होगा। यहीं पर जटिलताएं सामने आईं। देश के अन्य राज्यों के नियम मेघालय पर लागू नहीं होते हैं, उन्होंने कहा। साथ ही उन्होंने यह भी कहा कि वैसे भी प्रक्रिया अब बहुत उन्नत चरण में है। सभी औपचारिकताएं पूरी होने में बस कुछ ही समय बाकी रह गया है।
Have norms for a land holding system like Meghalaya, where the land is not owned by the government. So in every other location in the country, the land is owned by the government, and any individual who wants to apply applies and takes lease from the government and then mines. So here the situation is completely different. So it's a miner with a landowner who has to do it, and hence for the government to come into the picture and follow the same procedures that were there before, which is as per the norms in the rest of the country, did not apply to Meghalaya. And hence it took more time for us to discuss with Government of India and come out with different provisions that would be suitable for our state, keeping our land holdings and the land holding pattern in mind. And since it has happened for the first time, it took more time than we expected. So that is the reason why it has been a long procedure. But as I said, now that procedure has been defined. And hence, the toughest part is over. The most difficult part of creating the system, the norms and the policies for now future miners to apply is in place. And the first people who had applied for it, who then helped us lay down, means whose application then helped us lay down the entire procedure, is now at a stage where we are at the public hearing stage. So all the work related with Government of India, where we had to do all the process and procedure, mining plan, different kind of studies, all that aspect has already been approved by Government of India, and the process at Government of India end is over. And now only the last bit where certain environmental aspects have to be looked into is left at the government, state government level, and we do expect that we'll be able to take this up and very soon, as I said, it's just a matter of time. Right after the elections, we should see that we should be able to give good news to the people. But again, as I said, I don't want to jump the gun because these are procedures for the first time happening. We could have glitches which could again delay things. I don't expect it, but let's just keep our fingers crossed. But we are, as I said, for the first time treading this particular path, and so it's not always easy. There are always surprises, element of surprises there, but I'm hopeful that we should be able to reach to logical conclusion very, very soon.
Can you tell us, you had some